The Aprilia Tuono 457 has been listed on the official Aprilia India website. The bike could be launched soon. The Aprilia Tuono 457 is an upcoming naked bike from the Italian manufacturer. It will be based on the Aprilia RS 457 and will share the same 457 cubic centimeter twin-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine as its faired counterpart. The 457 cubic centimeter engine delivers 47.5 horsepower and 43.5 Newton-meters, paired with a 6-speed gearbox. It is expected to get an all-LED lighting setup, and the naked bike will get a TFT instrument console. The Tuono 457 sits on a steel tubular frame and gets a different swing arm than the RS 457. The bike has an upright riding posture but demands a slight forward lean. It also gets a single-piece seat and split grab rails. The Tuono gets an inverted fork and an offset preload-adjustable rear monoshock. It gets the same brakes and alloy wheels as the RS 457. The Aprilia Tuono 457 will rival the KTM 390 Duke and the Yamaha MT-03. The Tuono 457 is expected to hit the market in January 2025. The naked bike is likely to be priced close to 4 lakh rupees, ex-showroom in India. Please do like, share, and subscribe for more news and updates.